Bedtime operations at night. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, once said, "O Ali, sleep 5 days a day, soak 4,000 dinars with charity, soak a Quran and read it, soak up the price of paradise, make peace between two fighters, make a pilgrimage and sleep. How can these things happen overnight?" And Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said 4 times, recite Surah Fatiha, i.e., praise be to Allah, the reward is equal to 4,000 dinars. Reading Quran 3 times is a reward for reciting a Quran. 10 times read the Darood Sharif and pay the price of paradise. Reading Ishghafarila 10 times will be the equivalent of reconciliation among those who are cruel. 4 times the 3rd verse is rewarded for doing Hajj after doing Soy. Hazrat Ali applied to him or the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, "Dear Muslims, you and your women and children should also perform these operations at night.